Hey everyone, welcome to SkySolution. Today I'm peeling back the curtain on a secret weapon that's transforming modern manufacturing, AI-powered defect detection. If you've ever wondered how factories churn out flawless products at lightning speed, spoiler alert, it's not just human eyes at work anymore. So what exactly is AI in defect detection? Imagine giving machines the superpower to see and judge product quality using computer vision and machine learning. With AI, it's like having a million inspectors working 24/7, never missing a beat and never blinking. Let's break down the key technologies. First, computer vision. This is where cameras and AI capture every detail way faster than any human could. Then there's machine learning. Algorithms trained on mountains of data, learning to spot the tiniest imperfections. Deep learning takes it up a notch, using neural networks to catch even the subtlest defects that people might miss. Finally, image processing cleans up the visuals, making sure the AI has the clearest view possible. How does it all work? It starts with high-res cameras snapping images of each product zooming down the line. Next, those images are prepped, resized, enhanced, and optimized for analysis. The AI then compares what it sees to its mental library of good and bad products. If it finds something off, it not only spots the defect, but also pinpoints exactly what and where it is. From there, the system can sound an alarm, remove the dud, or even adjust the process to prevent future mistakes. Now, why is this such a game changer? First, the accuracy is insane. AI can catch tiny flaws that humans might overlook. Speed? Off the charts. We're talking about inspecting every single product in real time. No coffee breaks needed. These systems run 24/7, consistently, and without bias, slashing labor costs and reducing waste by catching problems early. Let's talk real-world impact. In automotive, AI spots cracks and paint flaws before cars even leave the plant. Electronics? It finds faulty chips or screen defects at the pixel level. In food and beverage, it keeps out foreign objects and packaging issues. Even textiles and pharmaceuticals are getting smarter, with AI detecting weaving errors or checking pill packs for accuracy. Of course, there are challenges, like needing tons of data to train the AI, or integrating new tech with old systems. But solutions exist: synthetic data, cloud services, modular upgrades, and robust hardware for tough environments. In short, AI-powered defect detection is the secret sauce of smart quality control. It's making manufacturing faster, more accurate, and more efficient than ever. So what do you think? Which industry do you see benefiting the most from this tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want more smart takes on technology, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on SkySolution.